Hey, if you've been thinking about getting a Brazilian wax, or you've already had one, you're probably wondering how long does the smoothness actually last? Today we're going to cover all the details, plus some tips to make your results last even longer. Let's dive in. So let's start with the basics. A Brazilian wax removes hair from your intimate areas. Unlike shaving, which only cuts hair at the surface, waxing pulls the hair out from the root. This means smoother skin that lasts way longer, and no razor bumps or itchy regrowth. For some, a Brazilian wax means removing all the hair, while others choose to leave a little bit of styling. It's all up to you. Now let's get to the big question. How long will you stay smooth? For most people, Brazilian waxing keeps the skin hair free for about 3-6 weeks. Here's the catch. Your results depend on a few key things. 1. Your hair growth cycle. Everyone's hair grows differently. Some people have slower regrowth while others may notice small hairs appearing sooner. 2. How often you wax. If you're new to waxing, your hair might grow back quicker at first, but over time, consistent waxing slows down regrowth and makes the hair thinner. 3. Skincare habits. Exfoliating and moisturizing can help keep your skin smooth and reduce the chance of ingrown hairs. On average, most people notice regrowth starting around 2-3 weeks, but it's often softer and finer than before. If you want to get the most out of your wax, here are some simple tips to keep your skin smoother for longer. First, exfoliate weekly. Use a gentle exfoliator to remove dead skin cells and prevent ingrown hairs. Next, hydrate your skin. Moisturizing regularly keeps your skin soft and helps hair grow back finer and less noticeable. Third, don't shave between sessions. Shaving resets the cycle and can make the hair grow back thicker and unevenly. Stick to waxing for the best long-term results. Also, wear loose clothing after waxing. This reduces irritation and helps your skin recover faster. And of course, staying consistent with your waxing appointments is the best way to train your hair to grow back slower. Now let's clear up a few common questions and myths about Brazilian waxing. Does waxing make hair grow back thicker? Not at all. In fact, waxing does the opposite. Over time, it makes hair finer and less noticeable. Is waxing too painful? It's true that waxing can be a little uncomfortable, especially your first time. But the good news is, it gets easier with each session as your hair grows back thinner and the skin adjusts. Is Brazilian waxing safe? Yes. As long as you visit a trained professional and follow aftercare instructions, Brazilian waxing is a safe and effective way to remove hair. So there you have it. Brazilian waxing can keep your skin smooth for 3-6 weeks, and with a little extra care, you can stretch those results even further. If you're thinking about trying it, remember that it's totally normal to feel nervous at first. But the results are definitely worth it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on health and beauty. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smooth and confident.